guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a Yeezy Gap Balenciaga unboxing. I literally ordered from Yeezy Gap Balenciaga. I mean, retail, it was like, I don't know, $240 altogether, like $270 with taxes. Not too bad. I'm excited. I got one of the new colors. This is the oversized hoodie in dark blue. I do have some other orders coming. I got the shrunken hoodie, and then I got the white one from Farfetch, and then the cap. So I kind of like went all out for the Yeezy because I absolutely love Kanye West when it comes to his clothes and stuff. Packaging wise, super plain. Let me show you guys the bag it came in because I've already checked it. Kept the little bag. It was just in a box, and that box was just in this bag. But you guys, this is the navy blue hoodie. For reference, I got a size small. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I've got some pros and cons, but the pros outweigh the con. This is the back. Okay, so it looks a lot better than my little $45 shirt that I showed y'all, but you know, if you're on a budget, then it is what it is. But this is the real one, authentic. This is the tag. I would say the only con about the size small is the like hole area for the neck. I like the way the small fits body wise. I'm gonna show you to you guys. I like the way the small fits body wise, but I think medium wise over the neck would be more roomy. Surprisingly so soft. So this is the material from the inside. It feels like Egyptian cotton, like, you know, like your cotton sheets. That's what it's giving. I thought it was gonna give this thick material on the front, but it's just so nice. The sleeves, I know you guys have seen a bunch of these videos by now. If you have been interested in any of these drops, you've already seen a bunch of videos. So I'm gonna just briefly try it on for you guys so you guys can see what the small looks like on my body. I did order the white one in an extra small, and then I ordered the shrunken hoodie in a medium, so you guys are gonna see the different sizings. But let's put this bad boy on. Okay, so sizing wise, it's definitely an oversized hoodie. I kind of had a hard time putting it over on my head because, like I said, I do feel like the neck area is a little tight. That's because of me sizing down, because I want you guys to know this is an oversized hoodie. Like, all in all, it's going to be oversized. Even the next couple of videos you guys see from me, it's going to be I'm going to have an extra small on, and that's going to still be oversized. So the point of this hoodie is to be oversized. I even think that I would like what a medium looks like on my body frame. So when the dark wash black comes back in stock, I might get that in a medium just for the versatility. Sometimes I'm not looking for like a tight fitting hoodie. This is damn comfortable. Like, it's heavy, yet it's comfortable enough to actually wear out and not be too hot unless it's like a scorching hot day. But it's just like a really nice hoodie, and I'm really here for it. I do think that, ladies, you can get away with making it look a little more sexy, more appealing to yourself if you're into more of a cropped hoodie, because granted, it's sitting at my waist. I can just tuck it into my bra and give it more of like a more stylish approach for myself, you know what I mean? I absolutely love this. I feel like this hoodie is going to age well, because sometimes, like, I have a toddler, and I don't know if you guys know toddler fingers, but sometimes she be getting grease on my stuff, and I do think that when I am to, you know, wear this, it's just gonna wear really well. And I love how the Gap logo itself, like, is not too pronounced. Like, you can see it, so I like how muted it is. Absolutely love it. I love the dove in the back. It's really big, it's really bold. Love the comfortness, and I love the way that the sleeves are. I just think that it is a unique piece. Definitely one of a kind if you are into Yeezy. Better yet, if you're not into Yeezy, I think that you guys would absolutely love this. Like I said, I do have a few more pieces from the Yeezy Gap coming up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my little Yeezy Gap, because I've been waiting a good 4 weeks for it, and it's finally here, and it is so damn cute. I am happy I got the blue. They still do have the blue in stock in case you guys are like interested in it, but low-key fire, like a cop that you need. Like, if you're able to pick it up for retail, it's just such a good price, because resale, people got it upwards to like 600 bucks. And yeah, no, so depending on how you like your things to size, do be sure to size down. Do be sure to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.